Hey friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can connect your DSLR camera via Wi-Fi to your smartphone or to your laptop. This is the Toshiba Flash Air card that I'm using for connecting my DSLR camera. This card can be used when you put into the DSLR camera or digital camera. You can connect it via phone, and this is the Flash Air card 16 GB model that I'm having. This is class 10. So now I'll have to download an application of Flash Air from the Play Store, and I'll show you how do I do it. I'll have to type in Flash Air. I've already downloaded it, so I'll open it. And this is the screen which comes up first. So this is the SSID which you have to connect the Flash Air card SSID. There's a default password that you have to fill in, and now this application will start connecting to it. There's a one-time setup. Now you are ready to go. So this will now scan all the images or the photographs on the DSLR camera. These are some of the images that I have took from the LCD monitor, and I'm downloading it on my phone. By selecting it, I'll have to press it on the download button, and it will now start downloading onto your gallery. I'm little away from my camera, so the downloading was a little slow. Now I'm moving towards the camera. Now the Wi-Fi is starting downloading fast. So this is it. Now this is done. So the downward arrow in green shows that the image is already downloaded. I'll let you know how these settings show up. You can also go to the various folder inside it. I'll show you how. By clicking on the Flash Air, go to folder. These are the various folders inside your Flash Air card. You can access it via this mode as well. That's it from my side. Thanks for watching.